Hey guys, it is almost 3 a.m., hence why I'm kind of whispering, but the walls in this 120-year-old building are made out of fucking toilet paper, so I kind of have to. I apologize. Anyway, I got a package from Apple today. Well, not right now, but earlier today. And it's a new MacBook that I bought because the one that I have is kind of sounding like this right now. Yeah, it's kind of struggling. I will give my old one to my mom and I'll use this one for editing videos and working and school and university and essays and yeah, playing Minecraft. And I just thought that we could unbox it together at 3 a.m. because I just can't wait till tomorrow. You know, it's like Christmas again. You know what I got you for Christmas though? This mustache. Do you like it? Let me know. Yeah, I'll shave it. Okay. Yeah. Who am I kidding? Like, I can't pull this off. Let's open the MacBook. Okay. I kind of like the mustache. I don't want to shave it off. Damn, I'll fuck myself. Oh, this is the MacBook, by the way. It's the MacBook Air M4. 16 gigabytes. The lowest one that you can buy. Do you think I got money like that? I got this on education fucking discount, bro. Which is not much, honestly. It's just 10%. Better than nothing, though. Send me your money, please. The donation link is down below. Please don't. I'm kidding. Why do I like the mustache? Bro, where's my stickers? Huh? Oh, hell no.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Well, this video was kind of random, but I hope you enjoy it. Hashtag ASMR. Also, why did I get this MacBook, right? Like, I have the MacBook One. What? I have the first MacBook, yo. I have the first MacBook ever. I have the MacBook Air M1 chip. I think I've had it for 4.5 years, or 4 years and 5 months. It's still good. I definitely wouldn't buy it today, but it's definitely decent. It is definitely struggling for video editing. Anytime I edit a video longer than 8 minutes, or maybe 10 minutes, but anytime I click to cut the video, like literally just the rough cut, the footage, it like loads. You know, the rainbow circle appears for like 15 seconds every time. It's like I could actually save a couple of hours on every video just by faster performance, which raises the question, why did I get the MacBook Air, literally the lowest one that you can buy? Not really for video editing, but it is the M4, so it's technically 3 generations newer. Not technically, it is 3 generations newer than this one. It's 4 years newer, and supposedly it should be twice as fast, which is good. That's a good update, you know. Plus, this one has 8 gigabytes of RAM, and this one has 16 for the base model, the lowest one that you can buy. Double the RAM? I kind of need that for video editing, you know. Not really for university. Not that I'm doing a lot. I don't know how I'm still there. I think they forgot about me, bro. I think they did, actually. No, I had 2 exams like a month ago, so they definitely didn't. The thing is, my mom got fired from her job. It's not funny. Why am I laughing? What the... I'm sorry. I'm literally unemployed. Hashtag unemployed. I hate myself. And she had a work MacBook. Now she obviously doesn't. So she hit me up like, hey, you edit your videos on the MacBook, right? Do you need an upgrade? Because, yeah, we made like a deal. I need the powerful one. She needs the one for spreadsheets and like emails. So I'm going to give her my old one, and I bought a new one for myself. Feel kind of like a jackass, but okay, well, do you have something to say?
Like this video and subscribe to Simon right now.
I actually agree. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this 3 a.m. ASMR session with me. Goodbye. Bye, guys. I don't think I'm gonna shave. Watch this video right now.